Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You wanna know how Jamaican chat? Wagwan me this and that crew. Welcome back to the channel. This is your Jamaican girl, Trisha. You wanna learn how to chat Jamaican? Well, you are at the right place at the right time. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Jamaican. Yeah, man! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. Pop it down. Let me give you a second to do so. Yeah, man. Jamaican Patois are the Creole language where we speak in a Jamaica. It's our Creole language. It is a blend of African, English, and other languages. Now, let me tell you how to introduce yourself, how to tell your name in Jamaican Patois. So normally we would say, my name is. But in Jamaica, we would say, me name Trisha. So you're going to tell them, say me name and say your name. Go ahead. Right. Or you would say, me are Trisha. So go ahead. Introduce yourself. Me are. Now to tell where you're from in Jamaican. Me come from Jamaica. So go ahead. Say, me come from, and say where you're from. So me come from Jamaica. So that's how you tell where you're from. It's simple, it's easy, it's nice. So go ahead. Me come from America. Me come from Canada. Go ahead and type below. Let me know where you're from. And I want you to introduce yourself. So I want you to tell your name. So you're going to say me name. Type your name. You're going to say me come from. Type where you're from. So me come from America. Wherever you're from, go ahead and type it. Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You want to know how Jamaican chat? Anyway, let's move on. Now, if you want to tell how you're feeling in Jamaican Patois, this is what you would say. Me good man, which means you're doing fine. Or me a go on, me a go on, which means that you're doing okay. Boy, if you're not doing so good, yes, you can say, boy, me no feel too good, Me there. The Jamaican Patois is so colorful. So is the Jamaican culture. Alright. So you guys know that Jamaicans love music, right? So I'm going to help you, and I'm going to be using 2 coconuts as my drum. Now you're going to get a chance. I hope you type your name down in the comment, Now you're gonna get a chance to say your name, right? Me name Trisha. Your turn now. Ready? Me name. Me come from Jamaica. Me come from, your turn, tell me. Me come from, me come from, how you feeling? How are you feeling? Me feel good. Me a go on, Me no feel too good. Guys, I am so enjoying, just spending time with you. I love you all so much. And I'm happy that I'm able to share with you how to introduce yourself in Jamaican. Yes, so guys, go ahead and share the video and look out for me. I'm going to try my best to be on every Saturday at 6 p.m. for Jamaican this, Jamaican that. We're going to learn how Jamaican chat out, Jamaican dress out, Jamaican live out, Jamaican walk out, Jamaican talk out, Jamaican everything Jamaican that we are going to learn. So guys, until next time, bye-bye. See uno. War good. See me I give you no chokes.